Hey guys, in this educational video, I will teach you how to apply Fibonacci channel. First of all, we'll discuss the theory. I will explain to you the basics of this tool. And then on a real market example, I will show you how I apply Fibonacci channel. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my trading view page. So traders, let's start with the theory. So in general, how we apply Fibonacci's. We have two very classic and common tools. We have the Fibonacci retracement aimed to identify the resistances and support within the impulse, and we have the Fibonacci extension aimed to identify the support and resistance beyond the impulse. And also, this is the tool that is applied on channels. So occasionally, when we trade the financial markets, we see very harmonic price action. For example, the level highs and level lows respect the trend lines that are parallel. And in such a situation, we say that the market is trading in a parallel channel. And we have the falling channel, we have a rising channel, and we have a sideways channel. So imagine that you spotted a falling channel. Turns out that in a falling channel, Fibonacci's can be identified as well. Let's take a Fibonacci tool. If we talk about the falling channel, we will draw the Fibonacci channel from the upper boundary of the channel to the lower boundary. So take a look what I do. I take the Fib channel, take the initial point of its upper boundary and the end point of its upper boundary. So you can see that the tool kind of draws the trend line. And we need to match that trend line with the trend line of a channel. Then we project one more trend line. And here the tricky thing is you can see traders that our channel must be perfect. Yes, in order to apply this tool, our channel must be perfect. So here you can see that when I was drawing this hypothetical channel, the boundaries of that are not really parallel. So in such a situation, this tool will not be applied. So we will strictly look for the channels where the trend lines are parallel. Yes, so let's draw the tool again. We take the Fibonacci channel, we take the upper boundary of the channel, yes, the initial point, the end point, and then we project the support of the channel, matching the trend line of a Fibonacci channel with our channel. So here you can see that if applied correctly, the boundaries of a Fibonacci channel and boundaries of a channel match perfectly. And here you can see that we have the Fibonacci levels. We have 382, 5, 618, and 786. These Fibonacci levels will be applied as minor supports and resistances within the channel. So once one of them is reached, from them we will look for pullback trades. We won't expect from these levels major market reversal, but we will expect some pullbacks before the market drops lower and sets a new level. Let's discuss a rising channel. Yes, and again, traders, it is very important for us to spot the parallel channel, the perfect parallel channel. The tool will be applied strictly when the market is trading in such a parallel channel. You can see that here we have a rising channel. And in order to draw the Fibonacci channel properly, here we will draw the channel from the lower boundary of the channel. Yes, first of all, we in the line. You can see that with this trend line, we in the line the lower boundary, and then we draw the upper boundary, yes, so that the trend lines match. And again, right here, you can see we have 618, 786, 05, 382. And these Fib levels will be applied as minor support and resistances within the channel. Yes, and once the market, for example, starts a correctional movement from the upper boundary channel from these levels, we'll try to catch some pullbacks. Now let's discuss the example. Let's open euro dollar and on euro dollar, yeah, I hope that it is working. I got some lag right here. I hope that I hope that it is not interrupted. So we are on the euro dollar chart. On euro dollar, let's try to spot a channel. If we take that high right here, you can see that we have a very nice falling resistance right here. And if we take traders that low, let's try to draw some resistance right here. Yes, it looks like we have this falling resistance right here. And now let's try to draw a Fibonacci channel. So if it is a falling channel, again, we take the upper boundary of the channel, its initial point, yes, its end point, yes, and then we match that with the support of the channel. And here we should little bit adjust the trend line. Yeah, here it goes. Yes. So that here on your dollar, we have a Fibonacci channel. And now from the Fib levels that we spot with the Fibonacci channel, we will expect some retracements. For example, take a look at that level right here. Let's take a look. What is that level? It is right here. It is 618. Yes, so the market started to fall right here. But once it reached this 618 level of the Fibonacci channel, you can see that two doji candles were formed and then the market bounced. Yes, you can see that here with the Fibonacci channel and with this minor confirmation with the doji candle, you could perfectly predict this pullback. So returning back to the basics, again, the idea of a Fibonacci channel is very simple. Once we spot a perfect parallel channel, based on its boundaries, we can draw the Fibonacci channel showing us the potential supports and resistances within the channel. And if applied correctly, it can be applied for scalping and intraday trading. I really want you to try this concept, traders. I really like this tool. In my view, it is very efficient. The main problem, however, is that the market quite rarely forms the ideal parallel channels, and it takes time to spot such channels. Let me know, traders, what do you want to learn in the next video? Also, please like this video and subscribe to my trading view page.